So y'all remember how I tried to debug Smokey, yeah? And kinda Stinky, but I couldn't get Stinky to do it? I'm gonna try and get Rocky to do it. Why am I using my non-Merca Rocky? Because I'm scared of what I'll end up doing. So I'm gonna try the basic, just like whoop, and then go from there. This will be a fun one.
Hi, I'm Rocky. Firing up! Let's go! I think there's something in my tailpipe.
Oh, it's weird.
That didn't sound right.
Oh. I did it. Okay, so, forward, hold. I mean, it's literally just a light test, but it's stuck. That's cool. No. Oh no, what?
I think there's something in my
Can they
tailpipe.
individually blink?
Oops. That didn't sound right. Hey, buddy, push my button again.
I think I put him into normal mode again.
That tickles. Let's get to work.
I think he's in normal mode again.
This is an easy one.
Yeah, so that was actually really quick to figure out. So, I'm assuming it's the same for Stinky then, because he has the back button and all that. Look at that beautiful man. Look at him. He's gorgeous. So, I'm gonna kill him off again. I feel bad doing that. Button, forward. If I can do it with one hand. And switch him on with the other. Yep, okay. The real question is, why is that not lighting up again? Oh, they both are. Sweet. 5. So that's position test. And then I just got him out of it. Whoops. Uh-oh. He's just standing there menacingly.
Rocky, reporting for duty. Let's get to work.
Sweet. Okay. Why is it not focusing properly? Good question. I don't know. So, we're gonna do that again. Because it's fun.
Backing up. Backing up.
So both of his lights work. He just does not like to boot. Okay, so I'm gonna try backwards.
Hey, boss, what are we doing with this load?
Okay.
This is an easy one. Hey, buddy, make some noise when you want me to dump. You're the boss. Where to, boss? Make some noise if you want to dance. Oh, yeah!
This is actually really sweet. I'm assuming the same goes for Stinky.
That was fun. Let's do it again. Do you know what time it is? It's time to dance. Great job, champ. Look, no hands. Look, no hands. Come on, buddy. Dance with me.
actually technically a fancy mode. He's probably spinning neutral again.
I'll turn it on my radio.
It's funny because he kind of scoots along because he has so much power behind that motor. I'm gonna try just booting him, not holding it, not holding this, just button and... Oh wait, he has to be down, huh?
Rocky, reporting for touch, get to
I'm sorry.
work.
I'm sorry, my boy. Do it. Thank you. There we go. Look, it's not in potato. Finally. Okay. Boop. And then it goes back into potato mode. Hold. Hold. Neutral. Go.
Hey, boss, what are we doing with this load?
That's a good question. I'm assuming that just means he booted normally.
This is an easy one.
Okay, he probably just booted normally. Oh, bonk. Backwards. Button. Load. Go.
Hey, boss, what are we doing with this load?
Okay, so I'm probably better off just going forward. Something just crunched. Oh, he's blinking again. He's blinking? Only... It's funny, because both lights work. He's just being weird. Yeah, that's funny. Okay. I don't know if it's... I'm pretty sure this is just a basic motor test. I'm pretty sure it is. Yeah, I think I just killed him. So yeah, that's how you kinda... I think that's a test mode of some form, because it's a motor test. Motor test, speaker test, and eventually a mic test, because he eventually just goes back to normal, and he's like, hey, dance. Oh! So yeah. Woo! Favorite part is that this guy has solid tires. If we had the proper, like, molds and whatever, or even files to replicate these, you could make not this man, because he's beautiful, sure, but, like, there's a difference in quality there. America Rocky and all the other ones have hollow tires. This guy's a solid chunk, and I love this. I love this, we need this, we love this. This man, he's a good boy. He just, no, I'm sorry, but no. Say something funny.
Rocky, reporting for duty.
I wasn't gonna that funny.
Make some noise if you want to dance.